Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about some exciting leaks that have surfaced about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera. According to a recent leak, the S25 Ultra is set to boast a brand new camera system, featuring a brand new main sensor and a larger telephoto camera, both boasting a whopping 50 megapixels. That's a significant bump from the S24 Ultra's main sensor, which came in at 40 megapixels. On top of the new hardware, Samsung is also said to be working on some new software improvements in the form of new algorithms designed to improve photo and video quality. This could be even sharper photos, better low-light performance, and more. While the leaks haven't given us any specifics on these new algorithms, it's definitely something to get excited about, especially for those who love taking photos and videos on their phones. Let's dive deeper into the leaked camera specifications. The S25 Ultra will reportedly have a new version of Samsung's 1/76 ISO CEL All-Gen-1 sensor, which is slightly smaller than the one in the S24 Ultra and has 50 MP resolution. This sensor is expected to deliver improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Moving on to the telephoto camera, the leak suggests a larger 1/3 Samsung ISO CEL sensor with 50 MP resolution. This is a significant upgrade over the Galaxy S24 Ultra's telephoto camera, which offered a smaller sensor and lower resolution. The larger sensor and higher resolution should translate to sharper zoomed-in photos and better low-light performance. Samsung is also apparently preparing new algorithms which should improve the quality of photos and videos too, but no further details were shared regarding these as it's really too early. According to the source, it's important to remember that these are just leaks at this point, and Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. But if they turn out to be true, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could be a serious game-changer in the world of smartphone photography. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Sensor size. A larger sensor size generally means better low-light performance and sharper images. The S25 Ultra's new main sensor is slightly smaller than the S24 Ultra's, but the telephoto sensor is larger. This could be a mixed bag for low-light performance, depending on how Samsung optimizes the new sensors. Megapixel count. More megapixels don't necessarily mean better photos. However, the higher megapixel count of the S25 Ultra's cameras could allow for more detail in photos, especially when cropping or printing. Software algorithms. Samsung's new algorithms are set to improve photo and video quality, but we don't have any specifics yet. These algorithms could play a major role in the overall image quality of the S25 Ultra's cameras. Overall, the leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerful camera phone. The new and telephoto sensors, combined with Samsung's new algorithms, have the potential to deliver significant improvements in photo and video quality. Of course, it's important to wait for Samsung's official announcement to get all the details. But based on these leaks, the S25 Ultra is definitely a phone to keep an eye on if you're looking for a phone with an amazing camera. The phone is expected to be released in January of 2025, so we don't have too long to wait. What do you guys think about these leaks? Are you excited for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech news and reviews.